This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Leanne Amory Wallace. This immaculate waterfront condo offers low fees and high return. 2 in-ground pools, exercise room, yard maintenance, clubhouse, planned events, and more. Fast-growing area with restaurants, shopping, Main Street Smithfield minutes away, Route 17 access, hospitals. It's a great central location. The condo is move-in ready with no renovation monies needed after closing. List of upgrades available at private showing, along with area features. Water and sewer included in condo fee. New garage door has been ordered and exciting exterior updates coming. Sit and enjoy this water view or evening strolls in Bridgewater. One level living. For more information, review the details below.